Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. When Poco F1 was launched in India, J Money went on stage and said that it's gonna be one of the most famous phones out there when it comes to custom ROM development. And he wasn't wrong. There have been so many custom ROMs for the Poco F1 and it's been an incredible time to be alive. Especially if you are a person like me who loves to play around with custom ROMs, then this phone is perfect for you out there. Now today in this video, let's talk about one of these custom ROMs, and it's just not any other random custom ROM. It's the OxygenOS. Yes, OxygenOS is finally available for the Poco F1, and let me tell you, I am really excited for this particular custom ROM. Now today morning I was just browsing through the internet and I found an article which said that how to install OxygenOS on your Poco F1. At first I thought it was a gimmick, but then it had a link to an XDA developer's website blog post, and then I found out that it's the real deal. So I instantly went ahead and backed up all my files and installed the OxygenOS on my Poco F1, and let me tell you, I have been having an incredible time with this ROM so far. I've been using it for around 5 to 6 hours and the performance has been next level. It's working like a OnePlus device, and that's the number one reason I wanted to install OxygenOS on my Poco F1, because of the performance. OxygenOS is one of the best skins out there and it is very good in terms of performance, stability, security, and also in terms of stock Android. Like, it's very close to stock Android. There is no bloatware whatsoever. You don't get ads. And it's just a very user-friendly experience. So yeah, I've been having a great time with the OxygenOS. Now do make a note that this ROM is under active development and you might face a lot of bugs. Now I haven't faced any major bug as of yet, but I've been using it only for 5 to 6 hours. That's why I'll make sure to drop a link to the XDA developers post in the description box below. So please be updated on that post, because the developer will post over there what bugs are there, what have been fixed, and what's going on. So make sure you follow that post if you want to install OxygenOS on your Poco F1. Now what about Google Camera? Is it working with OxygenOS? Yes, it is working with OxygenOS and it's working flawlessly. Like, some people out there had a complaint that Google Camera isn't working that well with MIUI, but with OxygenOS it is working really well and you can get the full potential of Google Camera application, and that's a big fat thumbs up from my side. I was skeptical about Google Camera working on this OS, but it is, and I kind of like that. Now let's go ahead and talk about how to actually install OxygenOS on your Poco F1. I'll make sure to drop links to all the articles which I followed in the description box below. These articles will guide you step by step on how to install OxygenOS on your Poco F1, and hopefully you can do it. It is a very simple process, and if you have installed any custom ROM before, then it's gonna be like a cakewalk for you. So make sure you check out the description box below, because it will contain a lot of information. So yeah, overall I'm really happy that OxygenOS has finally arrived to Poco F1. I'm really excited to test it out and use it, and I will be posting updates on Instagram. So please make sure to follow me over there. I might as well make a follow-up video to this video, maybe like after a month or something like that, about my experience with this custom ROM. So maybe hit the subscribe button down there and stay tuned. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that this video helped you out in some way or the other, and if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one.